How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video will be my intro into the deep junk garage shop truck build. Old Robert over there. And before I get started, like always, I've got to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, it's free, guys. It's free. Leave a like, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around. Leave it. Share if you want. Alright. That being said, let's get this started. Alright. What I will be doing is this right here. This is the C1 out of England. This is the C1 Volkswagen van right here. I'll pull it out here in just a second. Robert said resin bodies are fine. Just no die cast, none of that crap. Alright. Let's see here. Let's see what we got going on. This is the body. You can see right there. I'll have to use a donor plastic kit. Volkswagen. It's got all the parts. It's got all the... There's the bed to it right there. Goes up in here. It's got the back door. Let's see, it'll go up in there like that. Let's see. And here are all the little goodies right here. You got your bumpers, your little tail lights and little latches and your back door. It's even got fender skirts, but man, that's not going on this. I don't know who the heck would put fender skirts on this. Maybe an old Heb Mueller or convertible custom job something, but not on this. But yeah, this will be the donor kit, and I think it's going to be for my Volkswagen salvage yard shop truck. That sounds cool. That's what it'll be. But that's what my entry is going to be. And second part of this video, I'm going to go ahead and knock two out real quick because I don't have a lot of time. I'm working on that 63 Rambler that George had given me. And it is an old Johan kit. And I'll turn it around here and show you what I've gotten done. Alright. Alright guys, this is what I've gotten done so far. I've got the body in paint. It needs a wet sand on it before I clear coat it and try to polish it out. There's the blue. There's some of the parts, the wheels, the dash, the firewall. The interior tub. Steering wheel, yeah, it's all blue right now. There it goes, it's focused. And here is the bottom of the chassis. It's done in the oxide red with blue faded over it. And then I will paint the frame black and pick out all the details on it. And like I said, it's going to have the little dog dish hubcaps. And not much to say about it. Little 6-cylinder. Let me see if I can find it here. Got the little 6-cylinder painted gray. I gotta paint the transmission, all the details to it. The little red or orange color valve cover, wired up. I got a lot to do to it, but really that's all I've gotten done to this. But I figured I'd give you just a short little update to it. Not much. This main video was about Robert's group build for the shop truck at Deep Junk Garage. I want to keep calling him Deep State. Deep Junk Garage. Alright guys, Y'all think about getting in that group build. That's a pretty cool group build. I know there's a crap load of group builds going on, but it's one I want to jump into. All right, guys. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.